equation and you can find out what is I, the total number of rivets required for the circumferential joint. And remember, the size of the rivets used for this joint are the same as that of the longitudinal joint. Friends, you get the value of this I as 109.6, 108.6. I is equal to 108.6. Say this is 110. 110 number. So it's a number. I is equal to 110. So these 110 number of rivets are distributed equally along the circumference in two lines. One here and one again here. So you can say these two equally. So number of rivets